Hello friends, welcome to dptutorials. In this tutorial, let's learn how to select only the visible cells in Excel. Let me show you what happens when you try to copy the cells that have hidden rows and columns in it. Suppose you have a data set as shown like this. Note that there are hidden rows in this data set. Look at the row numbers. Now see what happens when I try to copy these cells and paste it somewhere else down below. In this example, I have selected the visible cells, but when I paste the cells into another location, it copied the visible as well as the hidden cells. Now let's how to copy the visible cells and paste only the visible cells. The easiest way to select visible cells in Excel is by using the keyboard shortcut, that is Alt plus semicolon. Now select all the cells in the data range and then click Alt semicolon on your keyboard. This would select only the visible cells. Now copy these by Ctrl C and paste these cells down below somewhere else. Now you can see only the visible cells have been copied and pasted here. It's awesome, right? Now let's see other trick. First, select the entire data set in which you want to select the visible cells. Go to the Home tab and to the right corner you can see the Find and Select feature. Click on Go to Special. In the Go to Special dialog box, select Visible Cells Only right over here. Click OK. This would select all the visible cells in the data set. You can copy them and paste anywhere else. So friends, this is the trick on how to copy the visible cells and use them as per your requirement. If you have enjoyed this video tutorial, please do give a like, share and comment. For further more interesting videos, please do subscribe to dptutorials. Thank you friends. Thanks for watching.